guys, it's me, Persephone, and today we're going to be playing with this and Gabriel's friend. Want to tell them a little bit of some things?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
My name is Desiree, and Desiree Camacho. I live in Visalia.
Is that it? Okay, so we're going to be playing with this, so let's get on to the video. You want to show them our characters?
All three of these.
This one is mine, this one is hers, and this one is hers. She has two characters and I have one. Okay, stop! Hold on, before we start the video, I want to say, Alexia, what do you want me to do in some of the videos? Tell me. Okay, and let's get on. Oh, this is my camper, so you want to go in it? Oh, okay, so let's go on in. I think this is the perfect spot where we can camp out. I just need to go on a side to climb. I'm going to climb the roof and press these buttons. Beep, 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 beep. Ah, let's get out before it launches. Beep, 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 beep. You can open it. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah, don't press the button.
So you do all, and I hold the camera.
Okay. So it's ready. You can come in now. It's so perfect. I love it. Oh, I need to set this thing up. Yeah. Push it back. And press these. Oh, my hearts. My beautiful, wonderful heart.
Do you think we should get driving to camp?
Oh, this is our camp. Oh, I gotta go change.
And then we closed it up before you can change. And then put it in.
Ah, yes, this is
Okay,
much
then I'm going to close it.
better. Oh,
Put it back in here. And then I'm going to close it.
Okay, I'm done. Okay. That's sure. Just put my stuff in the wheels.
I'm going to get driving. You can stay down there.
Okay. Ugh. I'll stay in this thing, and you can drive, but I'm scared. Wait, how about we place it on? Press the button. I'm gonna press the button. I pressed the button, okay? I'm not changing, but I'm scared.
going to get driving.
Hold on. It's still.
Once it gets there, I'm going to get driving.
Okay. Okay.
I'm going
Is
to.
it good?
Yep.
Okay. I'll be here.
We're all here.
Okay, you can press the buttons and I'll stay in here.
It's better if you want to do the stuff because I'm holding the camera. So let's just do this. Or how about I hold the camera? Don't show my face. Beep.
Hold on tight.
Or maybe you should hold the camera.
Yeah.
Let's just do it. We're here already. Don't.
Okay, could you?
You can. Wait. You can put the. Where did I put my? Here, I'll just place this one now. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep.
Okay, is it all set up? Oh, wait, hold on. It's still doing its thing.
I know. It was churning.
I'm done. I'm getting dizzy. Okay, I'm gonna put the wheels down. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, watching the video, and subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications, and you will never miss a video. Bye bye. What do you want to say?
Bye.
Bye, you guys.